Hey YouTube, Joe here. Welcome to my channel. And today I bring you a unboxing and first impressions of the Kershaw Valmara, a collaboration with Kershaw and legendary knife maker Les George. So this is the box it came in. I already just took it out of the box right this very second. Model number 3480, your standard Kershaw box. And here is Valmara. So let's take a look at it. So we got glass filled nylon scales, 3-inch blade, stonewash handle, liner lock, tip up carry, left and right side if my camera will cooperate. There we go. Left and right side. Steel liners. I guess glass filled nylon backspacer as well. A little jimping right here. Clip point. Hollow ground blade. Spring assisted. A nice spring assisted, I might add. Another nice addition to the Kershaw family with the little knives, 3-inch blade. Some comparisons to some other Kershaws. Let's get this in here. The Intellect. So we can get all three in there. Valmara, Intellect, and the Kershaw Showtime. As you can see, all relatively close in size. That's the dollar, and let's get it lined up with the ruler. As we all know, Kershaw's usually to be nice and sharp. So let's see if this one is any different. And happy to say, classic Kershaw sharpness. It's almost a given. Beautiful stonewash, very light in the hand. Let's measure it up. It comes up officially as stating as 3.8 ounces. But we're going to measure it up now. Alright, and officially on the scale 3.92. So even though the write-up says 3.8, 3.92 ounces, let's get it down to grams. 111.2 grams. Pretty much can be had all day for about $25, give or take a dollar. D-carry pocket clip. As I said, some of the other speed assisted, when closing, it was a little bit rough. The spring was a little bit extra strong. This one has a nice feel to it. Nice, light, and opens nicely. As you can hear, it flings open with authority, but it's not pulling back too hard on you when you're trying to close it. I know Les George has several collaborations with Kershaw and ZT, and this is another one of his for Kershaw. It's got I don't know if my camera's picking that up. It's got the grooving in there with kind of like an S shape. Has a nice feel in the hand. I'm not gonna say it's the most grippiest thing in the world, but it suits the purpose. As you can see too, as soon as you have your hand, it has a nice indent right here to, for the choil, for your finger choil for your finger, and then just automatically makes your thumb want to rest right here where the non-aggressive jimping is on top. So look at the inside. The liner lock is maybe 50%, give or take, if my my camera's going to focus correctly. Come on, camera. There we go. Centering. Centering looks, I'm not going to say it's dead on, maybe ever so slightly to your advantage to the right, but nothing major. Gotta say I like this one. A little recurve in the belly. HCR 13 MOV blade. Nice and sharp. Affordable. Overall, I gotta say, another great addition, I think I mentioned this earlier, to the Kershaw family, the little knife family. 3-inch blade. I like this one. Feels very light. I'd almost, if I had to guess before weighing it, I'd say I'd say it weighs less than 3.92 ounces. Almost feels like maybe around 3. Has a nice feeling to it. And my hands are decent size. I'm not saying super big, but it fits nicely in my hand. It's got the lanyard hole going on. Overall, very nice knife. I highly recommend this one. Let's see. No blade play at all. So, very, very nice. So there you have it. The Kershaw, hopefully I'm pronouncing this correctly, Valmara. Model number 3480. Collaboration with Kershaw and Les George. About $25 pretty much everywhere. Thanks a lot for watching, everybody. Take care. God bless. And have a great day. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you really enjoyed my video. And please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks everyone. Take care.